Okay, good morning students. So let us start today's class. So today I will do the revision of the chapter number 2, which is polynomials. Okay. So polynomials, before starting the revision of polynomials, let us discuss about the algebraic formula, which algebraic identities actually, which we already studied in class 8. So first one is what? A plus b whole square equal a square plus twice ab plus b square. Again, a minus b whole square, a square minus twice ab plus b square. And another one is what? A square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so these are the three theorems you have to apply to solve the questions of polynomials. Okay, so next one is what? Variable. You have to know what is variable. Okay, so x, y, z, t, etc. are known as variable. Okay, suppose one polynomial is 3x square plus 2y. In this case, one variable is x square, one is what? Y. Okay, so all of you know about the variables. So next one is what? Suppose term. Suppose this one is 3x square plus 2x. In this case, how many terms? 2 terms. Always remember one thing, terms are separated by plus or minus symbol. 5 minus 2x, there are 2 terms. Okay, but suppose this one 3xyz. In this case, one is 3, 1x, 1y, 1z, but they are multiplied together, so it is considered as one term. Okay, so depending upon the term, you can give the name of the polynomials. Okay, suppose one term, then it's known as monomial. So example, suppose 3x, 5xyz, etc. Okay, suppose 2 terms. Okay, name of polynomial. Okay, so 2 terms, it will be binomial. Suppose 3 terms, it is trinomials. Okay, suppose 4 terms, it is quadrinomial. Etc. Okay, and remember, how can you find how many terms? Always remember one thing, the terms are separated by plus or minus symbol. Okay, so next part is coefficient. Okay, coefficient. Suppose the polynomial is on 3x square plus 2x plus 3. So in this case, coefficient of x square, which is 3, the constant which is multiplied with the variables. This one, x square is 3. So coefficient of x is what? 2. And suppose you write, suppose the question asking what is the coefficient of x to the power 0. This is actually x to the power 3 into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. And you have to write 3. Okay, so this is the coefficients. And all of you know, I think, degree. What is degree? So degree of a polynomial is what? The maximum powers of the variable. Suppose 1 is 5x to the power 4 plus 3x x cube plus 7x square plus 8x plus 1. Suppose this one is the given polynomial. Okay, so look at the power of x, because in this case x is the only variable. Okay, so look at the power of x. In this case, power of x is 4. This one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 1, and this one will be 0. Okay, so in this case, degree will be what? 4, the maximum power of the variable. Okay, again, one is 0. Suppose 0, it is known as 0 polynomial. The value of the polynomial is 0, it is known as 0 polynomial. Okay, again, another important thing is here, if the definition is come, what do you suppose define 0 polynomial, then you have to write a constant polynomial 0 is called a 0 polynomial. Okay, again, there is another important, this one in the page 31, zero polynomial which is denoted 0, which is degree 0, okay. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. That thing you have to write, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, and again there is another important thing. This one, the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always 0. The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always 0. Suppose this one, a polynomial is 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5. Okay, so in this case the constant thing is what? This one 5. Okay, constant polynomial which value is 0 is known as zero polynomial. If the constant is 0, it is known as zero polynomial. Okay, if the constant other than 0, if the constant other than 0, okay, suppose a polynomial is 5. Okay, in this case if you 5, you can write 5 into x to the power 0. That means in case of a constant polynomial other than 0, the degree of that polynomial must be 0. Because this one is 5 into x to the power 0. Okay, so suppose a polynomial 0, it is known as zero polynomial. It is 0. Suppose another polynomial, another constant polynomial except 0. Suppose we consider 17. Okay, 17 actually what? 17 into y to the power 0. In case of 17, the variable, the power, degree of the variable, power of the variable is what? 0. That is why this line is very important. The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always 0.